Hello everyone, I'm Mandy Gillis from Maysville Elementary School. We recognize that there's quite a bit of uncertainty as everyone comes back to school this year. We wanted to take a second just to let you know what school's going to look like when students return on August the 17th. But first, let's sanitize and mask up.
Jones County Public Schools is requiring every family to turn in an attestation form. This form attests that the child is showing no signs or symptoms of illness.
This year at Jones County Public Schools, everyone will have their temperature checked before entering a school building. When you arrive as a car rider in the morning, go ahead and have your mask on. Your temperature will be checked and you will answer a few health screening questions. If you're riding a school bus to school, remember it is important to socially distance at the bus stop and wear your face mask. Follow your bus driver's regular instructions and safety rules regarding buses. When you enter the bus, stop on the second step of the bus. You will get your temperature taken by the bus driver at that point in time. If you have a temperature below 100.4, you will be allowed to continue on the bus. Follow the bus driver's seating directions. Unfortunately, there may be a time when a child steps on a school bus and registers a fever. For elementary students, it is imperative that the parent be at the bus stop with the child, because if a child registers a fever of 100.4 or higher, they will have to step off the bus and return home. When entering the building, maintain social distancing of 6 feet. Get some hand sanitizer and follow the directions of your individual school.
When you are walking through the hallways, don't forget to keep 6 feet distance between you and the person in front of you and the person behind you. And we will have markers on the floor to help guide you in this process.
Our classrooms will look slightly different this year as you enter them. Students will be seated at socially distanced individual desks within the classroom. Student book bags will be kept in cubbies where available or in a designated area within the classroom. Personal belongings, manipulatives, and materials will not be shared between students. They will have their own for personal use.
Thank you for watching this video. You can always stay updated with the latest information related to COVID and school operations for Jones County Public Schools at our website at www.jonesnc.net. Have a great school year.